Hello friends, welcome to YOLO channel. Today's section I am going to discuss a general topic as white Tri-City. So what is white Tri-City? The transfer of electricity without using connections between input and load is termed as wireless electricity. This is not like a wireless transmission of signals which we use in cell phones. In cell phone, signals are sent to in the form of microwaves, whereas in this mode of transmission, electricity is transferred in the form of magnetic rays. The rays are not harmful to humans. The transfer of energy is mid-range compared to direct transmission. Needs for white Tri-City. Nowadays, there is a rapid increase of electronic goods like cell phones, laptops, iPads, etc., which rely on the chemical storage of energy by the battery, which need to be recharged frequently, as there are becoming daily needs to present generation wireless energy transfer. Example, white Tri-City. Working principle of white Tri-City. White Tri-City works on the principle of mutual induction between the two coils. There are two copper coils arranged, one at center end and the other at the receiver end. So the first coil is attached is the power source, while the second coil to the light bulb. When the power is switched on, the first coil converts the electricity into magnetic field, which is accelerating at a particular frequency. Example, AC source. The second coil at the receiver end converts the magnetic field into electricity. The surrounding environment is unaffected. So, what is the advantage of white Tri-City? An advantage is that we can't produce electricity anywhere without wires. The power can be delivered in any direction. Most common things in our surroundings do not interact with this magnetic field and does not harmful to other living beings. No need for meter rooms and electrical closets. Reduction of e-waste by eliminating the need for power cords. So need more light in your office. Next, limitation of white Tri-City. The flux condition should be safety certain condition. If not, no power supply take place. There is a loss of power transmission if there is a strong ferromagnetic substance. Possibility of energy theft. Wi-Fi. Someone can be using your internet or your power. Safety. Any living organism that are placed in between the coils will not have or hinder the transmission of magnetic field. It is because the magnetic rays will not interact with the living tissues so strong and can be easily passed through the human or other living organism. Finally, we conclude the section. The transmission of power without wires is not a theory or some mere possibility. It is now a reality. The electrical energy can be economically transmitted without wires to any terrestrial distance. It has a tremendous economic impact to human society. So thanking you.